All right, this is a video on how to install the new Amana PTAC unit in the guest room. So this is an Amana PTAC unit. When you open it from the box, it's going to look like this. It's going to look just like that. You're going to get a bag, like a Ziploc bag that has wire harness, a white, yellow harness on it, and then it's going to have individual wires that you need to install onto the wire harness. So take out the wire harness from the plastic bag. These are already connected, so this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like this, where it has this connection right here. You don't see it yet. There you go. It looks like that. So this needs to get installed into the wire harness. All right, so this is how you install it with this little prong above on the top. And so when you install it, it goes inside the hole here. So once you go in there, it's going to click in, it's going to lock in place. So the blue one we don't use. So let's start with C is common, so you must install the black wire in C. R is the red wire, so install the red wire in R. And then GL is the purple wire. That gets installed inside the GL. And then W2 is for the white wire. So you install the white wire inside W2. Y, W1 is the yellow wire. Install the yellow wire inside that slot. B, you keep it blank, nothing. So do not install anything inside B. It will be empty. And then GH is the last wire. You're going to install the green wire inside GH. So you could see here from the top, we're missing the wire for the B. So do not install that wire. And then from there, it's easy to connect it to the thermostat transmitter. So this is the thermostat transmitter that transmits the signal to the thermostat. So make sure the thermostat, all you have to do is, when it comes to the C, which is the black wire, you connect the black wire to the C over here. So then the next one is R, which is red. The red connects to the R on the thermostat. And then the next one is GL, which is the purple. The purple gets connected to the GL on the thermostat. The next one is W2, which is the white wire, gets connected to the W on the thermostat. Y, W1 is the yellow wire, and then that one is connected to the Y on the thermostat. B is blank, so do not use that one. And then the last one is GH, which is green. The green wire gets connected to GH on the thermostat. So you see that. So it's pretty easy. Once you connect that, you have to use wire nuts to hold to connect everything together. The only one that's going to be missing is the I think there's going to be a wire here that should be missing. That it's the B wire. The B is never connected because we're not using the B wire. So this is for this wire. So you're going to need wire nuts for all of these connections. Now the next step is you need to remove this black cover. There's 3 screws. 1 screw on top, the second screw in the middle here, and then the 3rd screw in the front. So once you remove the 3 screws, then this will pop out. All right. After you pop that out, then you just take this wire harness and you install it. Just like that. All right. So that's what it should look like when you're done. Make sure it's in the on position here. on and off, so make sure it's in the on position, and you should be good to go. This must be plugged in at the bottom before you install the unit, and then you slide the unit on top of it, and then this is where you put all the wiring. And then you add some double stick tape to the back of this. What do you call it? The transmitter, and then you install it here on top above the screw here. There's a screw right here, so install it above it. So just like that. All right, with double stick tape. The screw is right here. There's the screw underneath it. So that's what it is. And then you take the wire harness and then you arrange it on top, just like this. All right. So all of the wires should be on top here, just like that, right? And the wire nuts are over here at the right side. All right, and then you take, see this, the cord needs to be in this corner right here, because it's gonna go underneath and where this slot is right here. See that slot? So now you reinstall the cover. Like that. Line up the holes. So you're gonna put one screw at the top. And then just one screw in the front. Okay? Only 2 screws. You don't need to reinstall the 3rd screw in the middle. The one in the middle is unnecessary. So just 1 and 2. And then you can see that the wire for the thermostat transmitter goes this way, and it goes here where that slot is, and inside the box, inside the unit. All right, before you install the unit, you have to drill an extra hole at the bottom here, because we need to line up with the original mounting holes. You got a mounting hole here with an insert, and then you have another mounting hole here with the insert down here. So the one on the top, it doesn't matter because there's a slot, so you can put the screw in to the here, and you'll be able to line it up with the hole here. But at the bottom, the slot doesn't line up with the thread. So what we had to do was drill an extra hole here. So make sure you take a drill bit and then you drill a hole here. You could do this before installation. So you could do this in the hallway. Drill an extra hole at the bottom so that you can have so that you can install the screw through here and into the threaded hole over here, or threaded insert. And that's it. So go ahead, Andy. All right, so after that, just install the cover on top. Go ahead, Andy. Snap it in. It's good. And snap on the other side. And you're good. And that's it. The unit should be good. And you can turn on the thermostat to test it.